Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. It is Motivational Monday. It's a new Monday, a new week, a new start, and new goals. And as a matter of fact, I made a new goal for myself this week on the way to work. So today is a great day to start something new and to make a new goal for you to work on this week, this month, or even through the end of the school year. So we have a brand new week. Let's make the most of it. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We'll have breakfast this morning, and then for lunch we'll have a deli sandwich. Tomorrow we'll also have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have chicken bites. We have no birthdays today, but over the weekend we had two friends that celebrated. Kendall Rogers and Caden Robinson both had birthdays this weekend, so happy birthday! A couple of reminders. Also, if you would like to still get a session in the Collab Lab or Computer Lab to give your students some extra practice with the simulated ACAP situation, just let Ms. Gibbs know and we can get you a time. If you are phonics first trained and interested in a spot facilitating the summer reading program, please see the link in Ms. Linscomb's Friday Focus email. Also, PST documentation. Be sure that all the documentation has been updated and uploaded into your Schoology folders, teachers. One more thing, late duty this week. Today we have faculty meeting, so Ms. Chick is going to be taking care of that. Tomorrow, late duty is Miss Hamlin, Wednesday is Miss Lankford, Thursday is Miss Barnes, and Friday is Miss Waller. Important dates. Today we have a very important faculty meeting to discuss the ACAP and all the last minute details we need to know for that. On the 10th, Wednesday, we have grade level planning during extended PE time. On the 15th through the 30th, we will begin our ACAP summative testing, so that is the window for that. March 17th, we have a PD with Candace Tracy. March 24th, we have PST. March 26th, we are ending the third quarter already. Crazy. April 5th through the 9th is our spring break. April 16th, our spring pictures. And April 30th, our ACAP summative testing is over. Yay. Our word of the day is equal groups. What this means is groups that contain the same number of objects. Whenever you divide, you separate items into equal groups. Okay, so for this example, there are 3 equal groups of 5. Can you think of the number that they started with to make these equal groups? If we had 3 equal groups of 5, we could count by 5s, 5, 10, 15. So we started with 15 and made equal groups, 3 equal groups of 5. I bet you could also figure out if you made equal groups of 3, how many would be in each group. I'm sure you can do that too. Think of that in your brain. All right, next up, congratulations to all of these lovely ladies. These are our Ready Queens from last week, which they would not be able to be royalty and be wearing that crown if it weren't for all those fantastic students in their classes that worked really hard to get their iReady minutes. So, celebrating in kindergarten, Miss Waller's class, in first grade, Miss Hogan's class, in second grade, Miss Beatty's class. I think she's a first-time queen, so that's pretty exciting for Miss Beatty's class. Good job, guys. Third grade, Miss Bertolino. Fourth grade, Miss Wolf. Fifth grade, Miss Barnes. Okay, guys. So this week for iReady, these are the classes that you are out to beat. All right, so let's see if you can have an overthrow of the queen government and see if your teacher can be the iReady queen for next week. After you worked super hard on your iReady. We have tons of AR superstars to celebrate this Monday also. These are folks who recently got their AR goal. Miss Barnes' class, whoop whoop, seeing these upper grades, super excited about that. Camilla Loza and Sandra Teacom, Miss Bernalino's class. Kennedy Brown, Jordan Fulton, Cameron King, Kingston McAlmond. Miss Bowers' class, Raven Murphy and Titus Shin. Miss Cunningham's class, Destiny Brooks, Talia Crenshaw, Aaliyah Fields, Doriana Moore, Ryan Spicknell, and Harper Vinson. Miss Duberg's class, Jelani Crawford. Miss Edenfield's class, Jallison Doan, Keelan Irvin, Kaylee Hurd, and Zoe Salter. Miss Hogan's class, Chloe Davidson, Justin Douglas. Miss Lankford's class, Alexander Coleman. Miss Lee's class, Ariel Dixon, Mikkel Harris, Tamaya Harris, Jamora Tate, Ava Lee Weaver, and Carter Williams. Then we have Miss Shaver's class, Diana Matthews and Henry Taylor. And then, last but not least, we have Miss Waller's class. We have Kaylee McCoy as our AR superstar this week. And we need to celebrate Miss Waller's class because she has 100% of her class have met their AR goal. That is awesome. So, way to go, upper grades. So proud to see some big kids on this list this week. Good job, guys. A few more announcements from Miss Smith in the library. The student with the most books checked out is now Zalante Hollins in Miss Lankford's class with 31 circulations. Okay, I hope he's taking 31 AR tests. We got lots of reading going on there. The class with the most books checked out is Miss Lankford's class with 89 circulations. Awesome. Miss Lankford's class should be well on their way to meeting their AR goals with all those books checked out. Students, make sure you are requesting books on your level until you meet your goal. Once you meet your goal, you can request any choice book that you would like. Also, you must return all books to check out new books. Don't forget to put your books in the bucket outside of your classroom when you are finished with them. Keep reading, requesting, and testing. Miss Smith will be around with the AR cart this morning to bring those AR prizes. And of course, she will be picking up books that you have finished reading and testing on. And she will be passing out books that you are ready to read and test on later in the day. So much reading going on. Isn't that exciting? That is all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.